Hi everyone, this is a technical analysis on gold. Let's start with a fundamental overview first. Gold has been on a steady rise last week since bouncing on a major trend line as the market kept on increasing the dovish bets on the Fed. That rally reversed after the US NFP came out better than expected and triggered a more hawkish repricing in interest rates expectations. In the bigger picture, gold remains in an uptrend as real yields will likely continue to fall amid Fed easing, and just a hawkish repricing and rate cuts expectations could trigger corrections in the short term. Now, on the daily chart, we can see that gold is now pulling back into the major upward trend line as the positive US NFP reduced the chances of a third rate cut by year end. The buyers will likely step in around the trend line with a defined risk below it to position for a rally into a new all-time high. The sellers, on the other hand, will look for a break lower to pile in for a drop into the 3,120 level next. On the 4-hour chart, we can see more clearly that the NFP marked the top in the recent rally, and traders now await new catalysts or better levels to position themselves. There's not much else we can glean from this time frame, as the buyers will likely step in around the major upward trend line, while the sellers will look for a break lower. On the 1-hour chart, we can see that we have this minor downward trend line defining the current pullback. The sellers will likely continue to lean on this trend line to keep pushing into new lows, while the buyers will look for a break higher to pile in for a rally into the 3,438 level next. These red lines define the average daily range for today. For the upcoming catalysts, the only notable events this week are Trump's letters on tariffs and trade deals and the US jobless claims figures on Thursday.